Welcome to Jambi's Tutorials. Today I want to show you how to create a TikTok group. Yes, a TikTok group, exactly like a WhatsApp group, but on TikTok. If you want to keep an open group chat with your followers, you can do that by creating a TikTok group. Now, this is how you go about it. Go to your profile that you want to create the group. At the bottom, you'll see the menu. Click on Inbox, where you get your notifications, and click on the plus with the user icons at the very top left corner. Click on that and then click on create group with a link. Here we go. So it's telling you to name your group. Let's say I call it, there we go, I've called it tutorials class. I can then go ahead and either add members from the people I follow or follow me back, or I can just specifically search for someone to add, or I can copy the link and share it, or share the group directly through the different apps. Or alternatively, you can share the QR code. All these expire within a week. The link expires within a week, the QR code expires within a week. So yeah, now how you can manage this group. After you add members, at the very top right corner, you'll see the three dots. Click on that. Then you can set the settings for your group. If you want to mute your group at any point, you can do that. If you want to exit the group, at the very top, you can do that. And then it will be removed from your chats. If you want to pin it to the top so that you can have it at the very top of your notifications, turn that on. You can go to group management, where you can either require admin approval to join. Once you turn this on, the administrator must approve anyone who wants to join. You can manage admins, add admins to your group. You can also remove group members if you're an admin, as well as transfer ownership. Remember, once you transfer ownership, this cannot be undone. Or you can end the group chat once its objective has been completed. So you can remove everybody and delete the group, that is. This is what it looks like when you pin it to the top. As you can see, it's even a bit highlighted right there. And that's what happens when you pin it to the top. It is easy to find. So yeah, if you learned something new, if you enjoyed this video, if you learned something new, double tap, like this video, leave a comment on what else you'd like to see on social media, AI tips, tricks, and tutorials. And as always, if you haven't, follow me, subscribe on YouTube, and I'll see you on the next one.